Where are those from?
What else, Mickey? Look what's that right there. What's that?
Got another Pluto.
What's that right there?
Like your Easter basket? What is that?
That's your stuff you got in
That's
Florida.
the stuff you already got from Florida.
That's new. Did you see all those? Look at all those. You got them all. Look at all of them.
Mickey, do with Minnie Mouse because he has this.
Got Tinkerbell Castle. Pirates. Mickey and Minnie Pirates.
And this. Open it.
And a grabber. Ah! What is that there? What's that little rubber thing there?
An egg. It's me.
It's a Perry the Platypus wormy.
I want eggs. One under the window, one right here.
You found any eggs? You guys want to look for eggs there? Because I think they're hid all over. Here, Mickey, let's get the eggs first.
No.
Daddy, open that while you hunt for eggs.